In between rounds, when you're at the racetrack and need to cool your race car fast, Mr. Gaskets Air Mover Fan cools your engine or transmission down in no time. This multi-purpose utility fan flows a high volume of air, 900 CFM to be exact, to cool or dry in any number of possible scenarios. The unique shape of the housing allows the fan to be operated at multiple angles to get the job done. The 1/4 horsepower motor uses only 2 amps when running. The advanced fan blade design provides high output along with quiet operation. It features a built-in carrying handle along with a 15-foot long cord and has a 12-amp power outlet built in so you can use tools, lights, or daisy chain multiple fans for a dynamic vortex of air. Ideal for use in the shop, trailer, or at the racetrack, Mr. Gaskets Air Mover Fan will cool and ventilate any area you point it to. Thanks for watching. For more information on Mr. Gasket products, visit mrgasket.com.